Magandang po. Ako po si Kimura, Social Welfare Equipment Advisor, Certified Social Worker, and Care Worker in Japan. Today I'm going to introduce you sliding board on this Care English lesson. As I explained before, there are two purposes of social welfare equipment. First one is supporting independence. In Japanese, 利用者の自立支援. Second one is reduce care burden of family and care worker. 介護者の介護負担軽減. There is new guidelines for back pain prevention by Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare since 2013. When we transfer elderly or physical challenged from bed to wheelchair or its reverse, their weight should be under 40% of ours. If we care workers are female, their weight should be under 20% of ours. This means if my weight is 55 kilograms, I can transfer elderly or challenged whose weight is under 22 kilograms. If I am female, I can do for those whose weight is under 13.2 kilograms. In other words, if their weight is 60 kilograms, our weight should be more than 150 kilograms in male and 250 kilograms in female. Do you think we can keep this law in Japanese facility? Some of you knows about me that I'm judo player. I train very hard, but I also have to follow this law. But don't worry, we can use sliding board or nursing lift. Sliding board is useful for elderly or physical challenged who can keep sitting posture, including holding handrail. Nursing lift is useful for those who cannot keep sitting. Let's think about the case we should use sliding board. This case is from Learn Through Manga, the Safety and Health of Nursing Care Industry, published by Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. You can check from this link. I'm going to introduce you case 2. You can watch from this video. Case 2.
Oh, my back still hurts. Thank you for waiting.
I must be heavy. Sorry. I would eat a lot since I was young, so I'm big.
No problem. Leave it to me. Okay, let's move you to the bed.
Hey, come here. It's a rule to assist the big person with 2 people. You fell down recently, so don't overdo yourself. This is a rule that protects your body and those of the elderly.
I may not look like it, but I work out. Check out my power of you.
Definitely a no. I'll bring eggs, so wait here.
No, I don't want to inconvenience my senior, so I'll do this myself. He's heavier than I thought.
You alright?
I don't think I can do this on my own. Then I'll just have to force it.
Could it be you have a bad back? You have to use assistive devices when you're assisting on your own. For example, with this slide board. Put one side on top of the bed and slide other side under their bottom. And there. That's how easy you can do it. Are you okay? Pull yourself together.
Acute lower back pain. In other words, you throw out your back.
From now on, practice postures that reduce strain on the back. When assisting well-built people, use protective gear and assistive devices as much as possible. And you have to report without hesitation when you're not feeling well. We are one team. Finally, always follow the rules.
I learned the importance of following the rules of the facility the hard way.
About sliding board. What we should need is to prepare is special bed, which has height adjustment so that elder can fly from higher place to lower place. Wheelchair, which leg support and arm support can take off or move so that we can approach wheelchair close to the bed as much as possible. How to use is elderly can transfer by themselves if they can push and pull by their arms. We can support just push their body with minimum power if they cannot by themselves. If they have heavy weight, we can support them with 2 care workers from front and back. Thank you very much for listening today.